Y'all almost bust my ass. Oh my god. I need to breathe in my nose. I'll fuck up my throat. The car coming. We could have drove on the other way. Y'all sleep? What y'all doing? Y'all still in bed? Good morning, Charlie. What's the street? I can't run in these boots.
Where in the hell you going?
What you mean?
I can't hear you, baby.
So y'all mean this whole time y'all couldn't hear me? And y'all was just looking at me? Did that even come out yet? Look at my bag. Yeah, I'm sweating. Y'all wouldn't think about me. If I gotta go somewhere, I'm not waiting, I'm going. I'm not canceling nothing. I'm not rearranging nothing. I'm going. I'm outside. What did that man say? Rain, sleet, snow? Rain, sleet, snow. I'm walking to my destination. No, but I basically just worked out. I'm not cool. What's your craziest? What's the largest amount of money that you ever had? What's the most money you ever gave a woman? A parlay. Let's sit on this. Oh, my pants gonna get wet. I'm a slut. Should be fine for a little bit. Whew. What y'all doing? Where y'all at? Where y'all from? I'm going to my destination. What you gonna talk about in my life? A frozen water park is crazy. Meet and greet. For some reason, when I be adding y'all to my live or anybody random, everybody just leave. So I'd rather not. But this live was really for like my safety. I did almost bust my ass. I have sweat dripping down my chest. Should we get it lit? You from DC too? I'm not from DC. I'm from Oakland, California. We ain't got no ice, thank God. How y'all don't got no ice? What I'm scared of? I'm not scared of nothing. I'm scared of snakes. I'm scared of being broke. I'm scared of broke niggas. Yep. Shit melted our weather bipolar. Some of it's melted, but like everything else is ice. Like the snow is ice. And I think right now it's like 9 degrees, but I don't feel it because I just walked like what? A couple miles. Which color? Black or white? It's like 9 degrees right now. You like blind? Thank you. It will look better without this hat though. I really don't like wearing hats unless I'm like running to the store real quick. But I saw that it was 9 degrees, so I was like, okay, let me put on a hat so I won't be cold. Who is Ibra. Hey, Lonnie. Who is Ibra? I'm waiting for the bus. Today is about to be a long day. Oh, I need to get up. I forgot I'm sitting nice. My pants is probably wet. Oh my gosh. Oh, it didn't go through. Follow back. I'm gonna follow you when I get off. I don't see nobody in their cars. I hope this shit coming. I think I hear it. I hope I didn't walk up here for no reason. Oh my gosh. I'm pissed if I walked up here for no reason. parked up here for no reason. This is sick. This is sick. Yeah, I am tired. I'm ready to go to Miami or somewhere nice. This is sick. I would have been here by now. But it's so small. I just want to go somewhere different. So much better. I never been to LA. I want to go there too. I don't think this is coming. I have a second. Let's look at them shit. My hands. Hey, Smokey. They still tripping about people posting that. Who posted? Who? What you mean posting up? Like standing around? Oh, you. Oh, okay. I know what you mean now. I think they've been doing that, like even without them. It's just that they got more people now. I'm walking in 9-degree weather. Please don't press me about no follow back right now. Good morning. Yeah, I like to get stuff done early. I be feeling like I hear the bus, but I don't. Good morning, Wesley. No, that's not it. I don't have a car. My true passion, fashion, art, anything that involves. Oh my God, my hand is shaking. Anything that involves me to be creative. He ate your food. That's messed up. It's not open. My gosh. I'm about to call an Uber. You better come home and get warm under this heat up like I got. I can't let you get sick. I got shit to do. I ain't trying. Hold on, I'm about to call my Uber real quick. Don't go. Why that shit say $40? $40 is crazy. If I ain't fucking with nobody today. Oh my gosh. I'm about to get fired. I'm about to fire my ass. I'm about to get fired. Have I been snowed in? What you mean? What does snowed in mean? Like stuck in a house? I guess you can say so because the buses isn't running. Uber $40. Canceling. Well, you know what? Did try to call an Uber um, I did try to call the Uber earlier and it canceled on me. Hold on. I'm gonna restart.